Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR curb ramp. We do have instructions. Oh, that's cool. It actually came with some tape. And the ramp itself. So this is solid rubber. Like you're not gonna, it's a little flexible, but there isn't any give in it. Like it doesn't matter how much I squeeze, I'm not gonna be able to crush that thing down. I do like that it's got this tread in it, so even if you got like water on your feet or anything like that, you don't have to worry about slipping down it. The logo right there in the middle, and it is a pretty decent length. So we are looking at about 35.5 inches. And because this is just rubber, if you want to, you can drill through it to put in anchors. You can cut it. It's going to be kind of hard to cut. I'd probably use some kind of a fine-tooth saw or something like that. But the fact of the matter is, this is pliable. Like, you don't even need to use this as a ramp. If you just have some kind of a project where you need like a full-width shim, even, something like that, this is going to be able to handle that. So the tape, it looks like it is just a double-stick adhesive. The manual's actually in full color. Kind of cool. So with this one, the minimum distance is about 1/8 of an inch, and then the maximum distance is about 1 1/4. And according to this should be able to handle 15 tons, which is 30,000 pounds. So if you want to use this as a car ramp, you could actually do that with this. But what I'm mostly going to be using this for is going to be for right in front of my doorstep. So anytime I got to like run a dolly up my doorstep, anything like that, this is going to make that a lot more gradual and a lot easier. That's actually a perfect width for a door. So that's pretty cool. So I don't even have to cut that thing. It's just lay it down and it's good to go. So yeah, now that I got that approach, it's gonna make lifting dollies up into the doorway that much nicer. So this is a very nice little ramp.